Good morning! Good afternoon na pala, hapon na pala. It's just a bright and sunny day today and we are so excited. Busy-busy ang aking business partner na si Kenneth. Oh. So today we are meeting our very first... Ba't may budots? May budots? May budots na sound. So we are meeting our very first client today. As you all know, we are now real estate agents. Accredited real estate agents. And this is our very first client and I'm just so happy because our very first client is someone, I cannot really disclose who she is, but that's a clue already. But this is a person who we all admire so much and I'm sure kilalang kilala niyo siya. Unfortunately, I cannot just tell you who she is. And we're just waiting for two of her dearest people to come. Yun talaga yung client natin, yung two of those people closest to her. And we're just waiting for them to come. We'll give them a tour of the model house. We'll give them a tour of the turnover unit. Today, I think they're also gonna deposit a reservation fee. Tama, no? And of course, they'll be signing some papers. So I'm gonna take you to the process just so you have an idea or just so you know how we do it. So, ayun, sa mga gusto po mag-invest ng property here in Cavite, we are the Butanding Sisters. You can contact us and we can assist you just like how we will be assisting our very first clients today. O, di ba? Ilang days lang after posting, may client na tayo. And guess what? Ilang units? They're getting 2 units. I'm so happy. So let's just wait for them to arrive. For now, I'm hungry. Let's eat somewhere. I don't know where to eat, but I'm gonna look for a place to eat. Somewhere. So nandito kami ngayon sa Lancaster Square. This is where we will be meeting the client. And because there's a Budots music playing in my background, dito na lang tayo kumain sa Henlin. Because I also love their siomai and quick lunch lang because I'm hungry and we haven't eaten anything yet. Ate! Ano gusto mo? Is there anything that has rice on it? May kanin ba? Wala nang kanin? Ay, walang kanin. Wala daw kanin. Hanap natin ng mga kain ng may kanin. Kaya walang kanin. Walang kanin dito. Gusto ko ng kanin. At dahil wala ngang kanin dun sa Henlin, we went to the back part. So we are here at Lancaster Square. There's a really, really wide park here. Alam nyo ba, nung pandemic, dito lang ako tumatambay because dito lang yung open air where we can be safe from one another. So may mga tao dyan nakatambay, konti lang. So, dyan na lang kami tumatambay ni Baby Boy just so we can, at the very least man lang ma-relax yung utak namin, hindi kami mabulok sa bahay. So, naupo lang kami dyan sa green grass area. There's also children's playground, but of course, during the pandemic, it was closed. Wala, closed naman itong mga kainan dito. Ano na? Saan tayo kakain? Ayoko dyan sa mga milk tea. Hi, sir! So one of our colleagues is here helping us because we don't know what to do.
Yes, po.
Saan tayo, sir?
Sir.
Nagugutom kami. At saka dito kami magkikita ng client.
Okay, sige.
Kaya hanap lang kami. Sarado naman pala lahat dito.
Yung QP po. Sarado po.
May kanin ba doon?
May sila, may mga rice meal.
Gusto ko ng kanin. O, doon na lang doon na lang tayo. Ikot ulit tayo. Punta tayo ulit doon sa harap. So yan, the search for kanin before the sale. Kasi importante na busog ka bago ka magbenta. Kasi mamaya, di ba, pagod ka na mag-tour, gutom ka pa. Hindi bagay sa akin na gutom. Though hindi naman halata, no? Hindi naman halata na gutom. But we will eat first before we meet the client. That's why we arrived a little bit early than our agreed meeting time para makakain kami. So let's go. Oh my God. So finally, dumating na yung aming clients. And we just asked them to fill out some form for the reservation. And now, we will be Going here, ito na yung sales office. This is where you settle the reservation fees. And this is also where you settle everything that needs to be settled. Ay, sir, dito tayo. Papasukin ko na dito. Dito tayo. Si madam, pinadalo dun sa mainit. Pag client ko, dito kayo. Yan. Hindi kayo pwede mainitan.
True.
Di ba? Di ba, Tieng? So, ayan, this is the sales office. Dito din kayo magkaka-orientation kapag pag bumili kayo ng bahay dito, may orientation.
Sa iba wala.
Sa iba, wala. Dito may orientation siya. So, ayan, this is the sales office. Huwag kayo matakot pumasok sa sales office kasi pag pumasok kayo dito, ibig sabihin, mayaman kayo. Dahil may pambayad. Dahil may pa... Hi, ate. Sa'yo, magbabayad na muna yung clients. Hindi ko pwede ipakita yung clients kasi super VIP. Ang dami ng bodyguards. Si Kenneth, isa na doon. So, we are here sa model house. Kasi, si Kenneth yung model. Kaya nasa model house na.
Model na budget.
So, we're here sa Minami. I'm gonna show this to my clients. This is their new house. Congratulations. And sana all. Ganon. Po yung Minami natin. Hello. Walang congrats dito. Saka na pagbayad ng bahay. Charot. So this is the house that they purchased. Ayan yung Minami. Para makita nyo. Better view. Diba? So if you're planning to buy a house, this is 80 square meter lot area and 54 square meter floor area. Dito muna tayo sa walang aircon. This is the unit upon turnover. Later, we'll go inside. I'll show you this one. Kasi may nagreklamo sa vlog last time na parang mukha mo naman nakita, hindi naman yung bahay. O sige, let's go inside later. So, this is the unit upon turnover, as you can see. Ay! As you can see, muntik na akong malaglag.
Sa maling tao.
Sa tamang tao ako nalaglag, te. Sorry. So, ayan siya. Painted na yung walls. And then, finished na yung flooring. If you want to make it tiled, kayo na bahala. I-renovate nyo. And then the stairs are already beautiful. Kayo na din mag-i-improve. This is the kitchen. This is the basic kitchen, as I've told you. So you can put your gas range there, your refrigerator. But if you want it renovated, you can add some cabinets there. Kayo na bahala. Then the service area, pero nalock ata. Sino nag-lock nito? But this is your service area for your laundry. That is outside. And toilet and bath, of course. Kasama na po yung mga fixtures na yan. So, if you want to improve it or if you want to change any of those, kayo na po bahala. Naka-tiles na din po yan. So, there you go. This is the unit upon turnover. So, the Hana model of Minami. This unit, as I've mentioned in my previous vlog, this is already the extended. This was extended forward, no? The extension ito forward. So, that's why you can see it as, it looks bigger because it's already extended sa part na to. This is the turnover unit as is. This one is extended and dressed up later. We will go inside so that you'll have a better view or at least an idea of how it would look like once you dress up your units. And this is the dressed up unit. So let's go inside now. So ito naka-aircon. See how beautiful it is. Oh, diba? I told you, this is a better area. So the sana is a bit bigger because this is already extended. So this part is the extension. You can do this to your units once you decide to purchase na. So yan siya. So you can have your couch there, you can have your TV there, and then you can have also a divider installed para mas maganda na may division yung kitchen niyo from your sala. So look at the kitchen. It's a simple kitchen with cabinets already, but it's very beautiful. So again, I'm just giving you an idea on how you can beautify your units. Ayan. And the toilet and bath. Diba? Uso ngayon to. Itong ano na to, yung glass na yan na hindi naman buo. It looks, super expensive.
Hindi pang model house na tayo.
So, ayan. Ayan. So, to give you a better view of the unit once you dress it up and extended na, this is how it looks like. Ganda, no? It's so different. Ha? Ang ganda mo, te.
Thank you.
Ay.
Alam ko ikaw din.
So, yan na siya. Later, we'll go upstairs so that you'll see the bedrooms. Hi! Hi, vlog! So, yan na yung clients natin. Bawal na tayo mag-video. So, we're upstairs. This is bedroom number 2. I've shown this in my previous vlog already, but I'm gonna show it to you again. So, there you go. So nice! So, you can fit 2 beds in here. And we go. This bedroom naman. Ay, babakita ko. Look at that. So, this is bedroom number 3. Kasha si Kenneth. Si Kenneth po is a 6-footer male. Type 2 obese. Type 2 diabetic.
High blood.
Vital. Ano kayo? Vital? Vital signs.
Vital signs.
Part ka ba na, nagtatanong sila, part ka daw ba ng LGU community?
Parang na LG.
Ayan po. So this is the 3rd bedroom. And also, here you have your own toilet and bath. Ang ganda ng toilet and bath. And this is the master bedroom. Again, this is a dressed-up unit. So na-extend to ng 2 meters lang, no? So ito yung itsura niya. Ang dressed up unit natin. So this is the master bedroom. So all in all, you can have 3 rooms here. And then you can also convert downstairs to become a 1-bedroom floor. Depende na yun sa extension na gusto nyong gawin sa inyong mga. So ayun guys, after our sale yesterday, dalawang units tayo, bongga, and more to come, more to come. So after our sale yesterday, maybe some of you are wondering, bakit nga ba sa Cavite tayo mag-i-invest? Bakit nga ba dapat Cavite na? Because Cavite guys is the future. And I'll prove that to you because I will show you the major developments happening in Cavite, in Kawit, and in General Trias. So we will go around Cavite, we'll go to Gentry, and we'll pass Centennial Road, the main highway. And makikita nyo from Gentry, we'll see their Mega World. And of course, sa may Kawit yung Ayala Evo City. So let's go, let's go! I'm so excited! So right now, we are inside Lancaster New City at Vincula Avenue. So ito yung main road ng Lancaster. And we will be going to the soon-to-rise SM General Trias, the biggest SM in Calabarzon. So dito po yung daan inside Lancaster. So ayan na, malapit na tayo. And of course, yung Minami, ayan, Minami turn left, that's also the way. Going to Minami, ito na, magla-left na tayo. This is where you'll find some of the biggest projects here in Cavite. So, mga mega projects ito, developments. So, I'll bring you there just so you see. As I've told you, as I've mentioned, diba, Minami is near SM General Trias. So let's go. Puntahan natin ang site. So ayan na, ito na yung rotonda. And they're starting to develop the rotonda. They're beautifying it already. Kung nakikita nyo yan. Yan, binabeautify na nila para maganda na pag-open ng SM. And this is the area where the mega projects are happening. Federal land is here. Yung human nila na residential area. So this is still Lancaster, ha? You're still inside Lancaster. Ayan na, yung developments kung nakikita nyo. Sobrang ganda na ng roads, Grabe, can you imagine? In just like months, ganito na kaganda ang kalsada. Look at the development. I think that's SM. That's where SM will be. So ayan kung nakikita nyo, the biggest SM in Calabarzon is inside Lancaster, New City. And a few meters away from Minami. Siguro mga, sabihin na natin maximum 1 to 1.5 kilometers away. It's so big! Oh my God! Totoo ba yan? Ganyan na siya kalaki, Grabe, no? So, ayan guys, I'm here. Just inside Lancaster, dito magagawa ang River Park as well ni Federal Land and SM General Trias in this area. Diba? Ang bonggang-bongga ng mga developments. That's why I'm telling you, Cavite is the place to be. At SM pa lang yan, ha? Antayin nyo. Pag napuntahan natin ang mga Mega World. Starting! Ganda na kalsada. Oh my God, I'm so proud of this place. I made the right choice na dito kami bumili ng property at nag-invest. And of course, nakakaloka, no? Dito naman is the newly opened road which connects General Trias Bayan or the City Hall, which is a few meters away from Lancaster lang. This is Mega World. Ay, ang taray ng Mega World. May mga buildings na doon, no? Buksan nyo natin bintana, Ayan na, makikita nyo na. So, some of the buildings there. Ayan, that's Mega World. And this road is Mega World. Cavite, can you imagine how beautiful this road is? Very BGC na ang atake. Very BGC na, nakakaloka. Ayan, this is the Maple Grove Business District by Mega World. Oh, very BGC na lapad ng kalsada. Singlapad na natin. Ayan na, the buildings are starting to come to life. It's being built already, so this will be the Central Business District soon of General Trias Cavite. I guess this is the condo unit ng Mega World. Doon sa Macdo. Yan. See? Ayan na po ang Mega World. It's fast. They're developing it very fast. And dito kami laging tumatambay kasi nagiging tambayan na po ng mga taga-gentry itong mga kalsadang ito. Naglalatag lang po kami dito ng mga foldable chairs. Ayan, may bazaar po dyan, may food bazaar po dyan for now. Kasi nga, pinopromote nila ang place. And Macdo is also there. Macdo Maple Grove is also there. And of course, there's Army Navy. Oh, may Army Navy na dito. And Starbucks, yung nakakodal na blue na yan. That's Army Navy. Ayan, daming cars nakatambay. Oh, Army Navy. And then Starbucks is here. McDonald's is here. Ayan, McDonald's Maple Grove. And Starbucks! I'm so excited. Magkaka-Starbucks na. Oh, di ba ang taray? So we are here sa General Trias Cavite. General Trias Cavite, Mega World Maple Grove. And now ito yung Centennial Highway. This is the main highway. We will now go to Ayala. So ito yung Centennial, diretsuin mo lang yan. Diretsuin sa Kawit and Cavitex. Mararating na natin ang Ayala. So I'll show you in a bit. So let's just travel going to Ayala. And now we're going to, galing na din tayo ng Mega World, which is approximately 2 to 3 kilometers away from Lancaster and yung mga Minami residences. Now we're going to Kawit to check on Ayala. So ayan na, malapit na tayo sa Ayala. This is approximately mga 2 to 3 kilometers, no? Away from Maple Grove. So, ayan. This is Centennial Highway. And ayan na yung Ayala! Oh my God! And here, may bagong bukas na Army Navy again. Ito na po ang Evo City, Ayala Evo City. And here we have the Army Navy. Taray, pag may Army Navy, alam mo talagang mamahali na yung lugar. Ang forward na nila, parang open natin. So ayan, that's Ayala Evo City. Ayan po. And that's SNR. So may SNR na kami dito. Ang daming developments na nangyayari. And nakakatuwa lang because dapat ngayon pa lang bumili na kayo ng ano bago magmahal yung mga presyo ng house and lot dito sa Cavite. That's SNR Kawit. And of course, Dunkin Donuts is here. This is the biggest Dunkin daw in the Philippines. Ayan, sabi nila. So ayan, may mga nagbebenta na ng kotse, mga bagong ano na, casa, which means talagang mayaman na yung lugar. So ayan, this is part of Ayala. The developments are already starting there. So that's Ayala Mall. Ayan. And of course, ayan, this is Kawit. Malapit na din tayo guys sa restaurant namin. So yung restaurant namin, nasa likod lang siya ng Ayala. So ngayon, dito lang tayo dumadaan sa Centennial. But our restaurant, Japgyupsal, is just here. So we are here, that's Mana Town Center. Mana Town Center, this is the Phoenix Gasoline Station. So liliko lang tayo dyan. The road going there, going to Japgyupsal. Ayan, Mana Town Center again and Phoenix Gasoline Station. Ayan po, that's Mana. And we will turn right here. Liliko tayo. Ayan, this road. Ayan. And Japgyupsal is there. So, hindi nyo lang siya nakikita pagliko nyo. Pero, mga 1 to 2 minutes walk away lang siya. So, that's already the restaurant. Yan na yung Japgyupsal. There you go. Hi, Japgyupsal. How are you? So, yun na po. Magpa-park na tayo because we have lots of customers already. Nakakaloka. Ang dami ng car. Nakakaloka tayo, full house kami. Full house. So yun guys, madilim na. Naikot na natin ang Cavite. Punong-puno ang restaurant. Parang naloloka na sila dito. So we are now here at Japgyupsal. So kung gusto nyo kumain dito, may free tripping schedules tayo. Ayan, punong-puno. Daming tao. Nakakaloka. So we'll do tripping. Libre naman, may pa-service kami. Kung gusto niyo magpa-schedule ng tripping so that you can see everything that I showed you in person. So, ayan. So, magiging restaurant, ano muna ako, waiter muna ako. Mamaya na ulit. Thank you for watching. Hindi naka-on yung signage. On ko lang yung signage. Bye!